Freight brokers are responsible for searching for the right trucker to move freight for their customers. They are intermediaries, consultants, negotiators, and problem solvers performing all necessary tasks to move cargo from the shipper to its destination as quickly and efficiently as possible. As creative as they are, one of their hurdles is locating a trucker with the right insurance limits. www.mycargo247.com has reduced the purchasing time for spot cargo, eliminating any waiting and keeping freight on the road to its destination. No sign-up is required. You can insure for the full load value up to $1 million for most commodities. A quote is provided in 10 seconds after answering 4 easy questions. You can then bind coverage in 90 seconds. There's no waiting wait for approval. It is truly on demand when you need it and solves trucking capacity issues for you and your customer. Give it a try. Freight doesn't wait, and neither should you.